Wow! Look at that! Amazing! Let's go in!
Keep your eyes on the road, kiddo. Stay close to me.
Okay, Dad. Dad, look at that giant robot. Can we please get it?
You have 10 minutes, bud.
Okay. Got it. Wow! That's the biggest robot I've ever seen.
Good evening, everyone. This is a friendly reminder that the store will be closing its doors in 15 minutes.
Ryan? Dad? Ryan?
I'm back! Wait, is it closed? No, 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 no.
All right, locked up for the night. See ya!
Dad, I'm scared. You're braver than you think, son. Just breathe. 도와줘. Hello, yes. I have a question about this package, please.
Ryan! Ryan! Where are you? Ryan! Ryan! Dad's here! Rye! Dad's here! Rye!
Ryan? Where are you? Ryan?
Ryan is gone. I was just talking to him and now he's gone. We need to find him now. Ryan? Hey, hello? Is anyone there? Ryan, the gate is locked. Dad? How do I get out?
Hey, could you please bring the keys for the locked toy store? We need them down here. Over.
Don't worry, Ryan. Help is on the way. Oh, thank goodness. Thank you so much. Okay, I understand. I'll wait here.
No, wait. Please open. I'm here.
I'm here. Dad, I'm here. Over here. All right, you're safe. Come on in. Thanks. I'm so glad you're here. Dad. Ryan.
Ryan.
David.
Oh, thank goodness. You're safe now.
I missed you.
Oh, Ryan, I was so worried. It's okay, Mom. I'm right here.
I'm really sorry. I promise I won't do it again.
Keep hold of my hand in crowded places.
Okay, I will.
And finally, always tell a grown-up if you get lost, understood? Third, make sure you double-check your receipt. And you'll find the customer service desk just over there.
We understand, son. I agree. Let's go.